Assalamualaikum. Welcome back, brothers and sisters. If you have been following along with Durusul Lughah al-Arabiyyah, you have mastered introducing yourself and saying this is using Haadha from lesson 1. Today, in lesson 2, we are going to learn how to talk about things that are not right next to us. We are going to learn how to say that is. الدرس الثاني, the second lesson. ذلك, that. ذلك اسم إشارة للمفرد المذكر البعيد العاقل وغير العاقل. ذلك is demonstrative pronoun referring to a distant, masculine singular, human and non-human. The new word for this lesson is Dhalika, which means that. According to our text, Dhalika is demonstrative pronoun. What does that mean? It's a word we use to point to something. It is used for things that are distant, things that are further away from you. It's also used for things that are masculine and singular. Remember how Haadha was also for masculine singular things? Dhalika works the same way, but for things further away. And importantly, you can use Dhalika for both humans and non-humans. So, Dhalika means that, and used for distant, masculine, singular things or singular people. Let's read and translate the text together. Ma dhalika? What is that? Dhalika najmun. That is a star. Haadha masjidun. Wa dhalika baytun. This is a mosque and that is a house. Haadha hisanun. Wa dhalika himarun. This is a horse and that is a donkey. Adhalika kalbun? La, dhalika kittun. Is that a dog? No, that is a cat. Ma dhalika? Dhalika sarirun. What is that? That is a bed. Man hadha wa man dhalika? Who is this? And who is that? Hadha mudarrisun. Wa dhalika imamun. This is a teacher and that is an imam. Ma dhalika? Dhalika hajarun. What is that? That is a stone. Hadha sukkarun. Wa dhalika labanun. This is a sugar and that is a milk. Your Durusul Lughah book has a read and write exercise for lesson 2. Make sure you practice reading and writing out these sentences using both Haadha and Dhalika. This is a key to making these new words and structures feel natural. Let's read together. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Haadha sukkarun wa dhalika labanun. This is a sugar and that is a milk. Man dhalika? Dhalika imamun. Who is that? That is an imam. Adhalika kittun? La, dhalika kalbun. Is that a cat? No, that is a dog. Ma hadha? Hadha hajarun. What is this? This is a stone. Al-kalimatul jadidah. New words. Imamun, imam, or prayer leader. Hajarun, stone, sukkarun, sugar, labanun, milk. Great job! You have now added that to your Arabic vocabulary. Keep practicing the examples from the book. Pay attention to whether things are near or far, and you will be using Haadha and Dhalika correctly in no time. See you in the next lesson. Ma'as salama. Wassalamu alaikum.